Hello, I'm Alexis Brink and I'm the author of The Art of Jin Shin and Healing at Your Fingertips. I would like to share with you a small self-help routine that will help your immune system and prevent viruses and flus, and if you would get it, then it will help you to move through it faster. So the Art of Jin Shin, also known as Jin Shin Jitsu, it's an energy healing modality that comes from Japan, and we move the energy in the body so that it can function optimally. It's similar to acupuncture, but instead of needles, we use our hands, and for this reason, it's very easy to use on yourself. So I'm going to show you 3 short flows, and they help different systems in the body. So you can use them one at a time or all 3 as a daily self-care routine. So the first one is you place your right hand on the left shoulder, right here at the top of the shoulder, and this location is the key to the immune system. It also helps the breath. So very important that this is open in this flu season. With the other hand, you make a ring with your thumb over your ring finger nail. And the ring finger helps the lungs, and anything that helps the lungs helps the entire body. So you can be very comfortable like this, lying on your couch or in your bed. You get into the breath. And what happens is you will feel a pulsation come to your fingertips from these locations. And you just wait till it feels, the pulsation feels nice and even and harmonized and soft. That means the energy is moving in the body. And then you can do the other side. Find the tip of the shoulder blade. Again, I'll show you one more time. It's right here. You may feel some tenderness in there, and that means that it's congested, and so you want to open it up by just simply holding it and wait for this pulsation to come up while the energy is spiraling all the way to core and back out to the surface of the body. Then flow number 2 is really important for the immune system, for daily maintenance. You can practice it every day, and you can do the right side or the left side. And I'm going to show you the right side today. Place your left hand on the tailbone. You can use the palm of your hand or the back of the hand if that's more comfortable. And with your right hand, you place it on the inside of the ankle bone, right here. If this is difficult for you, you can place it on the inside of the knee or on the pubic bone. And I would like to start here. So again, take a few deep breaths and wait for the pulsation to come up to the fingertips. That means the energy is beginning to move and it's beginning to harmonize. When you have a nice pulsation, you move the right hand to the opposite rib cage, right underneath the ribs. Again, take a few deep breaths. And then take your left hand and move it to the 3rd rib, right above where the breast is. Again, take a few deep breaths and feel the pulsation in both locations. And then move your left hand right underneath the collarbone. Again, take a few deep breaths and wait for the pulsation to harmonize. When you feel the pulsation, it means the energy is flowing correctly and uninterruptedly. And then to tie it all together, there I'm going to teach you the last flow, which helps the entire endocrine system and helps everything in the body. Place the right hand on top of the head and the left hand between the eyebrows. Again, wait for the pulsation and take a few deep breaths. And then move your left hand to the tip of the nose. Again, take a few deep breaths and wait for the pulsation. When you feel that, you can move right here down the V of the neck. Again, helping the whole glandular system, which really helps to support the immune system. Then move your hand to the middle of the sternum, helping the thymus gland, again, which is key to the immune system. So you want to be very comfortable here. And wait for the pulsation. Now, if you don't feel the pulsation, that's fine. The more you practice it, the more awareness you will have, and you will start to feel it. But in the beginning, you may not. And then just take a few deep breaths. And then move your left hand to the solar plexus, right at the base of the ribs. A few deep breaths. And then move your left hand to the pubic bone, helping the energy to move all the way down with the exhale, cleaning the body. And then the last step is you take the right hand and you place it on your tailbone, like here. And again, you can use the palm of your hand or you can use the back of the hand. And I like to do this on my back. Again, take a nice few deep breaths and wait for the pulsation, allowing the complete cycle of energy to move through the body. And so these 3 flows you can practice on yourself every day to keep your immune system up and balanced and prevent colds, flus, and viruses for this season. So enjoy and have a wonderful time with this.